Ninja tip from Manuel here. He showed us how, he was showing me how to do a special link that is automatically going to get you a subscription or a new subscribers.
Raise your hand if you have an email list or a phone number list already for your business. Okay, good. That's how you start. If you don't have yet any of that, raise your hand if you have friends, at least 20 friends. Good, that's how you start, all right? Good, so you have some people that can help you. When you're creating a business, your people, your friends, your family are your support line. That's how you get going, right? That's how you have a launching pad, right? Like when I created my first Amazon brand, I had an e-commerce brand that I built from scratch, and I accomplished enormous success with it. We were doing $600,000 in sales 18 months into it, monthly sales. It was incredible. The way I started was that I actually started giving some of these products. It was bed sheets. I was selling bed sheets on Amazon, and my partner is here, Ernesto. We did it together, and I was selling bed sheets on Amazon, and my first clients were my friends. And if they said no, I was going to look for better friends, right? Simple. Because that was just an indication that I didn't do a good job of building a good list of friends, right?
I may have gotten like 10 bed sheets. I don't know.
You got a lot of bed sheets, right? He had my bed sheets like all throughout his house. And the other day, I sold that company in 2017 before we started AGM. But I'm still discovering that some of my friends still have my bed sheets around. One time I went to one of my friend's house in Texas, and he said, "Oh, you need some new bed sheets?" And I'm like, "Oh, don't worry about it. Oh, I got some new ones right here." And it was one of my brand, right, that I have put there for him. So that's cool. So you got to do something, right? Instead of crying in a corner that you don't know where to start or you don't have any money, you got to just use what you have, your resources. That's how you get going on any business. It will be, if I tell you the stories of how we have done a lot of our businesses, you wouldn't even believe them. Natural Slim, which is next door right here, which is a business that I founded in the United States with my wife and my father in 2007. That business, like in 2009, we were having New Year's event, and my wife and I would give each other a kiss, and we would just go out into the vehicles at midnight, and we would put flyers on every car, and nobody would call. The stories are like, that's the way it is. That's what you don't see. You see a business built, oh my God, look at how powerful it is. You don't see the journey that got them there. So you just gotta get going, right? That's the reality. So he's talking about a link that you're gonna create for your YouTube channel. When you create this YouTube channel, you're gonna have your own link. For example, this is my YouTube channel. So if you go to youtube.com, let's go ahead and the easy way, and I'm gonna search for Manuel Suarez. We're gonna show you very quickly how to create this link for your YouTube channel. All right, so do a search over here, and that's my YouTube channel. I'm gonna click on it, okay? This link up here, it is my YouTube channel link. Everybody following? Okay, good. So I'm gonna grab this link right here that converts, as soon as I tap on it, it becomes that long link. I'm gonna grab this link, I'm gonna copy it, and we're gonna change it. If somebody clicks on that link, it's pretty easy for them to see a button that says subscribe, right? They can just click on it. How about if I make it even easier for them to subscribe? Because again, the more steps that somebody has to do, the less possibility of converting into your action. So I wanna make it very simple. So let's go ahead and change that link over here. Okay, so I got that link right there. And I'm gonna go,
Next
Jorge,
step.
what are we doing?
All right, so here's the code that you're going to add to the end of your YouTube channel URL there.
Okay, good.
First off, it's a question mark.
Just a little note over here. Do you see this very long, ugly link? I created a custom link that is youtube.com/the Facebook Ninja Marketer. You can create your own custom link once you reach how many subscribers?
1,000.
You get 1,000 subscribers, you can create your own custom link like that, all right, as long as it's available. If not, you're gonna have an ugly link like this one, which works fine. It's the same thing,
yeah.
All right? So I'm gonna grab that link right there, and Jorge, what are we doing to it?
All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is put a question mark.
Okay, question mark?
Yep.
What do we do next?
Next, sub.
Please don't give me a complicated symbol. Question mark, SUB.
Underscore.
Underscore, that was easy.
Confirmation.
Confirmation.
Equals 1.
Equals, please give me an easy equal. Yep, equals 1. Okay, so we got that link, right? Now, I'm not gonna search it out by that. I'm just trying to create a link over here. So let me grab this whole link and let me copy it. And now, this is the link that you save on your notes. All right? This is how you're going to get it to all your friends, all your family, your email list, your text message list, Messenger, every single person that you can. And this is how you get your first 100 subscribers. Why? Because check this out. Let me paste this right here. And check out what happened. This is a YouTube channel link with the additional thing that is just the question mark SUB_confirmation equals 1. And again, on the guide that I'm giving you guys, that's there. All right, so you don't have to be crazy trying to note it down. Let me go ahead and hit enter. Check this out. This is why you need to sign an NDA. All right, so you have a message. Let me do it again because it went with the zoom in. You have a message that says.
Now you got to paste it again.
Do I have to paste it again? Yeah, that's right. Let's paste the exact. You see, without it, it doesn't happen. With it, I got this message over here that says confirm channel subscription. Are you sure you want to subscribe to Manuel Suarez? Do you think that's going to make it easier? Yeah. Right? Oh, I guess I'm sure. I didn't know that I wanted before, but let's go ahead and do it, right? So these are tricks that I've incorporated over the years. I discovered this in 2014, accidentally somehow. And we just figured out that, okay, we should do everything like this. So whenever we do an email blast, whenever we run a campaign, recently we were trying to get my dad's YouTube channel to 5 million subscribers. And we wanted to do it before the big event. We had an event to celebrate in Puerto Rico, some other accomplishments. We launched a new website, other thing. So we needed to get like 200,000 subscribers in a week. And it was a lot more than what we usually get. So we made a push with this link, and we ran Facebook ads with that link. And the videos went viral. Jorge ran that video.
Yep.
We took a video that my dad had done a couple of years ago, which I had some incredible content from my dad. I used to push him to create content, bother him all the time. He'll be like, okay, son, I'll make the video. Let's go. So he made me a video one time asking people to subscribe because that was his passion. So we ran that video and it went viral. And it was with this thing right there. The video was seen by millions of people and we got 200,000 subscribers in 5 days. All right. So this thing right here is very powerful for your own list, your own friends, your own emails, SMS, wherever you can. Even people, if you have a customer base that walks into your clinic, you give them that link, you put it with a QR code. Whenever they scan the QR code, subscribe. And now you keep on growing every single day.
So that's the link that you use every single time.
Every single time, everywhere you can.
Whenever you're promoting your YouTube channel. Email signature was another one that I wanted to let you guys know. Always just put in your email signature, subscribe to my YouTube channel, use this link.
That's right.